Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi SQ2 Black Edition S-Tronic finished in the modern arrow grey pearl effect paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a petrol engine with 300 PS, Quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels with S-badged brake calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including SQ2 badging at the front and rear, in addition to stylish Quattro badging at the sides and blacked out Audi rings from the Black Edition spec to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 355-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with the SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious red full leather trim with red stitching for that premium look and feel, in addition to ISOFIX points for secure child seats. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel with red stitching, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central display, climate control, a central console, and embossed red full leather seats with red stitching. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find USB connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a gear shifter, a MMI controller, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with a USB charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.